In this short video, we will explore how we can turn simple line drawings with no intelligence into something that allows us to add that all-important information and schedule from these drawings too. So we can create these very quickly and easily, and they will all update automatically, allowing us to add extra information. We're going to do it with the aid of the Scheduling with MTxt download, which I have here just loaded in my Caddie system. So we have a drawing, we can copy the objects through, so simply using the copy and paste into our own drawings, and this will allow us to use the functionality that this provides actually within those otherwise dumb drawings. So if we take a little look at what we have with something like the listing there, so we'll see that it's just a piece of MTxt, but when we go to the extended data, we'll see that there are a number of fields to which we can add information. So for instance, I could add a meter by 1200, and you'll see that that size will automatically be added to the schedule, and that's the principle of what we're going to do with our drawing. And there's also scope there for adding hyperlinks, so you can add a hyperlink which will take you to a specific web page or another drawing, for instance, and you can add notes and reference documents too. They could be images, so particularly useful where you have photographic surveys of buildings, for instance. So moving over to our drawing, we have the simple text there. So in the extended data, you'll see that we have some details just entered into that, and to make it even quicker to copy the text and increment it around our drawing, we're going to use the copy and increment tool directly from our context toolbar. So this will update the field as we see there, so we can simply take that around our building, just adding them in. Now we can do similarly with our door text, so that's moving that up to D2 in that particular case, and we can make any modifications that we need to. So this could be, if we just make that say obscure glazed, okay, and then it's simply a matter of adding those pieces of text to our schedule, which we do by selecting our text, going to the add entries to the schedule table, and then I can just draw a rectangle around there to select all the objects, and you'll see that it will automatically add them in to our schedule table. And furthermore, if we're working with larger drawings and we need to identify those objects that are maybe not immediately visible, and we can select on our table, we can choose the zoom to entry in the schedule table, select it from our table, and it will take us directly to that position on the drawing. So making drawings really smart, really quickly, with minimal intervention. Discover many more Caddie tutorial videos on the Caddie software channel on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter for frequent news and updates. And why not download your own evaluation copy and try out Caddie for yourself? And whilst you're evaluating, you can get free help and advice via the live support on the website or through the numbers given on screen.